minto. When it is in a twai, Ribagato collegas, you go to make any avenue so long as your people, what they are supposed to get. You go to Mama count. And we are going to have a Togoro. Ntogoro, you go to Abu, Ntogoro talk around here. Abandi Batabaya and Togoro, I Cora, my so acid. Rakini Abanga and Togoro, Togoria. Nineteen Cateva, Kikonya and Togoro, and Tokonya and Togora, Kintigata, on Tigari, Rading it, Moka and Samokanga live again. In Unavantavaya, I will not forget you. I will forever be indebted. Yan go important Vagayoka Corrigas. That is why I carried to come to Moko, you can come in the name of Mongokora. On your parliament, Bravono, the Cominoca, Nicati Saisano, Nikon, Colemeria, in your parliament, a year ground in Ato Canon, Bacole Meremo, a singing to Mermina Ramuanget. Rakina and Batavica, Omokungo and what or the Mokano Mukunga Matias. Me abangira umura akagera Jerusha Momanyi. No nya ninjesa kwinyo ranga Jerusha Momanyi na bongo kuminga ngiko sina ruetenga ika. Ikiagera sina ru my background iko ya renkenke kabisa. Abari mu abana na bubancenga. Yani mbwate esire nene ya bari mu bane bagancenga. Na inje ndate barose liye tanga bari mu kanitu. Abari mu ekara bayirwe gete bakominyoka bamatenga goika bakole goli dina lyako balerwa. So, I am ready, I am there, I will work and I will make sure na akole biya. Wana tiganda iraneria maswali make na ikumwaboriga egento mono mwakwanira abali munjegento na pick from you, from the union and these others who have talked. Moi recently abali mubaitomba soka isuko by the way mba eta chi street iga bali ba CSS bakolera na inu bali mwatorora CSS education committee egina ituna kitware kolera na kinga nkikeragera abali mu abakona kolera isika ngitutare koroserie budget abali mu abali kuba bayiru permanent and pension ekyagere gento kagara tabatare ko irwa na nechibes lakini ntu arwana we fought junior secondary school teachers this year tumeweka budget ambayo itahachiri walimu permanent walimu 26,000 watachukuliwa permanent. Kwa hivyo wale walimu wa GSS tunataka kuwaombea mazuri this year. Tukiweka 26 this year na next year tuweke 26 and they were 40 something. Tutakuwa tumemaliza hiyo. So we want to tell you that we are with you. Tuna fight na nyinyi to make sure that our teachers are also permanent and so that they are ready and able to serve and teach our children, because this is the generation that we are looking forward. Na ande toko na kusomia abana oeta again toge koro abangina na abana na bamura na abaiseke gender based violence muna moko nyungo kura kurutire dime boira. There are issues in our villages. Issue chire different cheto neti nyinge abantu bono mbarorora abamura na abaiseke bali bare miyake eri manyu maina bono mokonya komanyana mochikomanyana oranga monto yotina mumanya buyange ntokiege nare totate ko mwakete ganga liro na gira karore buya tokora monto buya karo ko moita osekara mo kurwana gender based violence se itanya mire ya itira abana bamura bange amona abana kinyaruka abange bare miyake eri meke yokonyo onde kwanyoro kule nga mosani na moite na mutigete onde kwanyoro kule nga natati kunyomba kuru family getenga kaniwa ebinte ebyo na bibenti tokonya konyora abana twanya kubakwanira twanya kuba train na boigo twabakorera counseling kurwa service yane. So such are the works which I do na ende ngokorande ngori okwanira gakwana na torora na kitoko kora abana bamura who are out here to make sure they are also occupied. From my office, I want today to declare here that I have taken care of these young boys and the young girls. Our societies, we also give tents and chairs. If you look around, these are tents which were given to groups. But when we wanted these tents, we had to rent. So they have already started earning from their hard work. We had to rent they have given us, and you know, for a tent it goes for 3,000 or 4, depending on where you are. So those ones who are hardworking and who have formed groups, they have really been assisted from our office.